Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App Change PIN tutorial. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log in using your credentials. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down and look for the privacy and security option. Tap on it and you will see the settings related to security and login features. Under this section, you will find the option that says Change Cash PIN. Tap on Change Cash PIN. Now you will be asked to enter your current PIN. Once that's confirmed, you will be prompted to enter your new PIN code. Make sure it's something secure. It's something secure but also easy for you to remember. Re-enter your new PIN one more time to confirm if both entries match. Your PIN will be updated immediately. You may also be asked to verify this change using your phone's biometric security, like a fingerprint or Face ID depending on your device. If you have forgotten your current PIN and can't log in, just tap Forgot PIN. When prompted, Cash App will then send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Enter the code and you will be able to set a new PIN right away. So I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell to get notified for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.